ChatGPT is a popular artificial intelligence tool that has gained a lot of attention on the internet recently. It uses natural language processing technology trained by OpenAI. Its purpose is to assist users by generating natural-sounding responses to their questions. It can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks, such as language translation, text summarization, and conversation generation. In this video, Document Write will explore how technical writers can use ChatGPT for writing documentation. First, let's take a look at how ChatGPT works. It interacts conversationally, and the dialogue format allows ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions. ChatGPT can respond with all types of writing, including theoretical essays, mathematical solutions, stories, and even computer code. Let's outline some of the benefits that ChatGPT provides for technical writers. First, you can use it to generate code snippets, eliminate the blank paper problem. You can use it for rewriting and paraphrasing, research and fact-checking, and finally, for translating documentation. Let's talk more about generating code snippets. ChatGPT can help generate code snippets that technical writers use to enhance their documentation. A technical writer can give ChatGPT a programming question and get a code-written answer script from ChatGPT in any programming language. Technical writers can use this feature to their advantage by getting automatically generated code samples to help explain API documentation. ChatGPT can also be used to outline different steps in tutorial documentation as well. Eliminating the blank paper problem. Have you ever sat down to write only to realize that hours have gone by and all you've done is stare at a blank page? ChatGPT can give you a starting point, helping you get started with ease. ChatGPT can be used to generate new text in a wide range of styles and formats, including news articles and blog posts, frequently asked questions, API reference documentation, tutorials, and step-by-step guides. ChatGPT can also be used for text completion. You can give it a certain input and it can expand on it, getting the tech writing ball rolling. Rewriting and paraphrasing. Technical writers can use ChatGPT to rewrite their content. This can be particularly useful when you want to write documentation that is easy to understand. According to the Center for Plain Language, the average American has the reading ability of an 8th grader. In the UK, the central government encourages content writers to aim for a readability level of age 9. This means that for your documentation to be accessible to as wide an audience as possible, you need to write at the appropriate comprehension level, and ChatGPT can help you do this. ChatGPT can also help when you have hard limits on how long your documentation should be. You can give it some input and it can paraphrase it in such a way that reduces the word count while retaining the same meaning. It can also help with turning a paragraph into bullet points of sequential steps to be followed. Research and fact-checking. Technical writing involves lots of research. ChatGPT can be used in aiding that research. It can be used as a great complement to search engines because of its ability to understand natural language and generate coherent and meaningful responses. ChatGPT can also be used to verify some facts. However, Great care should be taken when using ChatGPT in this manner because it was trained on a large but still limited dataset that only goes up to the year 2021. Translating documentation. ChatGPT can also be used to translate documentation into multiple languages. As a computer program, it is orders of magnitude faster than human translators. In addition, its natural language processing capabilities make it better and more coherent than traditional translation programs. However, it is important to note that ChatGPT's proficiency in each language depends on the specific version of the model and the amount of training data available for that language. Furthermore, ChatGPT's understanding of a language is based on patterns in the text and not on understanding the meaning or the context of the text. So its understanding may be limited. Despite these limitations, however, it's a very useful tool that is best used to aid human translators to make their job of translating documentation much easier and faster. ChatGPT limitations. When using ChatGPT, it's important to understand its limitations. ChatGPT sometimes writes plausible sounding but incorrect or nonsensical answers. Fixing this issue is quite challenging because during reinforcement learning training, there's currently no source of truth. During training, the model is exposed to a large amount of text data, which is used to learn patterns and relationships in the language. However, the training data may contain errors, inconsistencies, or nonsensical text, which the model can learn and use to generate text that is plausible sounding but incorrect or nonsensical. The issue of the model providing plausible sounding but incorrect or nonsense answers is known as the hallucination problem, and it is a challenging problem to solve. Moreover, ChatGPT is sensitive to tweaks to the input phrasing or attempting the exact same prompt multiple times. For example, given one wording of a question, the model can claim not to know the answer, but given a slight rephrase, it can answer correctly. The model is also often excessively verbose. This issue arises from biases in the training data where trainers prefer longer answers that look more comprehensive. Ideally, artificial intelligence models should ask clarifying questions when the user provides an ambiguous query. Instead, ChatGPT just guesses what the user intended, which may lead to incorrect answers. While the dataset that ChatGPT was trained on is huge, in the range of several petabytes, it is not completely comprehensive and was collected up to the year 2021, meaning that ChatGPT is unaware of information post-2021. Impact on the future. ChatGPT and related technologies are still in their infancy but are advancing very rapidly. Their impact on the future is currently unknown. However, many experts believe these new chatbots are poised to replace internet search engines like Google and Bing. ChatGPT has demonstrated the ability to build complex code and compose college-level essays in response to a prompt, raising concerns that such technology may replace human workers like journalists, programmers, or even technical writers. What do you think? Will ChatGPT render all technical writers redundant and unemployed? Will AI lead to a tech utopia or a Terminator-esque apocalypse? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you're interested in more technical writing content or would like help with your company's documentation, visit our website at documentwrite.dev. If you liked this video and would like a free PDF summary, please download the free PDF using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.